We've just concluded an exciting day for those of us in hydrothermal liquefaction. First time in my career in the last 10 years that I've been together with so many companies working on this technology. What I found exciting was the number of different challenges and in fact, pathways that different companies are taking to solve many of the problems in HTL and many of the opportunities. I also heard a lot of new commercial activities and a lot of players that actually are interested in what HTL can offer the community. I'm super excited about the prospect of bringing Steeper Energy's solution to both the large-scale conversion of lignocellulose into biofuels, as well as the smaller scale production of biofuels from intractable wastes like sewage sludge and urban biowaste. This has been a wonderful experience, and we look forward to working with our colleagues in this industry to make it real, to make it commercial, and bring it back to a financeable projects in the very near future.